Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha has backed the Kudankulam protesters and said that she will ensure that the interests of the people of Kudankulam are not compromised and that she will be among the protesters in solving the Kudankulam issue. Let's go across to Pradeep, who's also with Uday Kumar, one of the protesters, the activists leading the entire protest. Pradeep, this is the message that's come from the Chief Minister. The protesters were demanding assurance from J. Jayalalitha and that has come.
Well, absolutely, but the protesters here are yet to hear about this. J. Jayalalitha was speaking in an election rally in the neighboring Thoothukudi district at Thoothukudi, where she made this announcement in a public rally while she was electioneering for the AIADMK candidates. However, here at Kudankulam, we are now on the East Coast Road, which has been blocked by the protesters. Remember, today is day 5 of the second phase of the protest. There were 12 days of indefinite fast, which was called off by the protesters following the intervention of the Chief Minister, and again another meeting between a delegation from here and the Prime Minister. However, following this, there was hardly any action from either of the governments to actually stop the activities at the plant, and things went on as usual, which is why the protesters here, the committee here met and decided to launch a second phase of indefinite fast. Today is day 5, and upset by the fact that nobody is addressing their issues, their worries, their demands, they have today taken to the streets. Yes, as you mentioned, I have with me Dr. S.P. Uday Kumar, who has been there along with many of the leaders of the committee. He was part of the fasting brigade. He was part of the delegation which met the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister. We'll first ask him what provoked them, the entire team, to come out to the streets in protest, and then we'll ask about their immediate reaction to Jayalalitha's assurance that she'll do nothing that will affect the interests of the people at Kudankulam and that she is with them in every step of the way. Dr. Uday Kumar, first, what forced you? What made you come out to the streets today?
Well, we have been waiting for the past 5 days and 106 people are on hunger strike. We cannot wait any longer. The Prime Minister is sending letters assuring of safety and our livelihood will not be affected. This kind of empty rhetoric cannot be accepted by the people. We want the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to take a stand, to reassert their state, their cabinet resolution will be respected by the central government.